welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a video on how to trim your ends at home. I am getting ready to wash my hair. The products that I'll be using today are the tea tree oil shampoo and conditioner. I really like these. They give me like a peppermint feel and makes my hair feel so good. So my hair is already washed. I went ahead and washed it. It was kind of self-explanatory. You all don't need to know how to wash your hair, of course. So now what I'm going to do is section my hair off so that I can apply my conditioner. So I usually like to section my hair off in fours, and I usually like to let my conditioner sit in for about 15 to 30 minutes. So since I am trimming my ends, I believe I let it sit in for about 30 minutes. You want to make sure that you condition your hair just because it makes it easier for anytime like you're straightening your hair or anything of that nature. So I'm going to go ahead and let it sit, and we're going to go ahead and move from there. Now I'm going to use the silk drops. This is the ion silk drops that I really like. It's like heat protector and a gloss and a shine, and so it's just like an all-in-one. I really like applying this right before I blow dry my hair because it gets my hair extra straight. So it kind of helps with me not having to apply as much heat as I probably would if I did not use it. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing that I did before, section my hair off in fours, and I'm going to speed up me blow drying my hair. So now that my hair is completely dry, I was able to blow dry it and get everything nice and clean. I wanted to show you all how terrible my ends look. So my hair has grown tremendously. Like it's way better. I'm going to try to find a before and after, and I'm going to make sure that I do like a how my hair was before, but you all can see like my hair is healthy, but my ends are just making my hair look terrible. So I always like to part my hair, try to do like a round part for the back of my hair, and I like to section the top of my hair off from right to left in the middle. So the first thing that I'm going to do, as you see, is part my hair right across. And I'm just going to put everything in the front for now, just because I'm not really going to focus on the front of my hair. And honestly, you want to make sure that you're straight. You want to make sure that your part is straight. You don't want it to be crooked, because when you go to clip your ends, you want to make sure that it's even. So one thing that I feel is necessary is for people to have their hair straight. So I'm not saying that you have to use like a pressing comb or anything, but I would definitely recommend that you flat iron your hair. A lot of people do like to clip their ends when they're like freshly blown out, but you all are going to be able to see one side of my hair is really short and the other side of my hair is very long because I did it like that. So from here on out, I was just like look, it's right here. Like it's growing, but it's very short. So please make sure you flat iron your hair. So this is what the back of it looks like. And right now it's just blow dry. It's no flat iron or anything. I'm going to make sure that I speed that up as well. And I'll be using my red ceramic flat irons. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed this up for us. So now my hair is completely flat ironed. I'm just going to show you all my estimate cut. Like that is it. Like I feel like my hair is damaged. It's not damaged, but those ends need to go. And I feel like the more you cut, the more it grows. And I'm not really scared to cut hair, because I mean the end result is always best. So now I'm just gonna part my hair as you see, and I'm just gonna take a scrunchie because I have no idea where my clips are. And I bought this mirror today. I'm so proud of myself because I don't have one of those fancy mirrors that come off of the wall, so I had to do it old fashioned. So I was trying to come a little closer to the mirror so that I could see, because I did not want to cut off more than what I needed. And now I'm just going to take some shear scissors that I got from the beauty supply store, and I'm just going to cut my hair. So you want to be extra careful when you're trying to clip your ends at home. If you have someone at home who can help you, I would highly recommend that you have someone assist you. But I've been clipping my ends for quite some time, and I've been growing my hair as well. I had eczema in my hair. Like, I had a really bad hair. I don't even know what to say. Like, my hair was horrible. And I was very insecure about my hair. And so, like, the more I researched and the more that I realized, like, the things that I was eating, the things that I was drinking, like stress and everything plays, like how everything just plays a part with my hair, I started to take more care of my hair, which is why my hair is growing the way that it is and why I'm able to clip my ends the way that I am. So I think it's very important for you to get your ends clipped or clip them yourself every 3 months, 4 months, depending on how well you take care of it. But as you all see, I was able to clip my ends nice and neat. I wasn't really too focused on having it extra perfect, because I want to make sure that I clip everything and make sure everything is even when I clip the rest of my hair. So as you all see, for the second section, I did go ahead and I cut a little lower, just so that when I actually did cut the hair, it was at the length that it was supposed to be. So you just want to be extra careful. And I made sure that I took my time with this too. And I really, honestly, when the rest of my hair grows out, I really don't mind my hair being at this length. I think it's really cute. It's giving me bob vibes. I love me a good bob. I love me a good bob. So I'm just gonna continue letting y'all watch me clip the back of my hair. Alrighty, so we are just about finished. As you all can see, my hair is already looking better. I love seeing people get their ends clipped or trimmed, and I just like to see the before and after. Sometimes you really don't realize how horrible your hair looks until you get your ends clipped and you're able to see, oh, well, my hair is actually way more healthier than I actually thought. So I feel as though this is so beneficial on so many levels. And I feel like anytime you are clipping your ends at home and you're using the mirror method, to where you have to use the back mirror, make sure you turn around and you look at yourself in the mirror. That way you're able to clean up your lines and make sure that your hair is cut in the angle at which you want it to be cut at. So that's all I am doing right here. I'm just cleaning it up. From what I can tell, everything looks good. So I went ahead and I already flat ironed the right side of my hair. And this side of my hair is a little bit shorter. So remember the story I told you all where, you know, I did not fully flat iron my hair. My hair wasn't really straight. This is it. But as you all can tell, my ends don't really look terrible. My hair is actually growing out because I did cut my hair because I was trying to take out a sew-in, and I cut my hair, and on top of that I turned around and clipped my ends. But everything is growing, and I feel as though it's coming along very well. Like, it's giving me the bob vibes. I really can't wait until my hair fully grows out all the way around. So that's pretty much what I'm just waiting for. But as you all see, like, look at how crisp and clean and light everything looks. So, like, it just looks so good. So I'm going to do the same thing on the right hand side as well. I'm going to go ahead and flat iron that, which is already done. And I'm going to, look at that. You guys can see, like, my left side is longer than my right side, which is okay because of everything that I already told y'all. But I'm just going to go ahead and continue to clip my ends and make sure that it is the same length as the back of my hair. Alrighty, so now we are on to the top of my hair. It's already straight, and I'm just going to clip my ends. I'm not going to cut it in like a bang form or anything, but I am just going to go ahead and clip my ends like going straight down. So I would say the front of my hair is not as bad, but like, look, everything, like, this is so cute. Like, I will legit wear my hair out like that. But now I'm going to go ahead and clip my ends. So now I'm going to take chunks. So I don't mind the layered look because, I mean, it just looks better when you take sections and you clip your ends like this as well. Like, I already have the length that I want. Now I'm just like cleaning up the remainder of my ends. So it looks like we are just about finished. My hair looks so much better. Like, this is so much better. Like, look at that. It's even all around. I'm going to show you all a quick before and after. Like, yes, my hair is shorter, but look at how much better it looks. Look at how much light, like, my hair looks way more healthier now. Like, look at the back. Look at how even it is and how uneven my hair was. Granted, the thickness is definitely there, but just like, it just looks unhealthy. Like, I like how my hair is right here. As you see, like, when my hair gets to the length of like where my chin is, then everything is cool. And then maybe I'll continue to let my hair grow out longer and longer. But right now, the goal right now is just to make sure that my hair is even all the way around, from literally the middle of my head all the way around to where the back of my hair currently is. So that's the goal. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe this video. Let me know what else you guys want to see. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you all next time, and I love you guys so much. Be sure to check out my latest video as well. I hope to see you next time.